Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going to take a look at all of the wildfires, not all of them because there's too many to look at. There's hundreds and hundreds on practically every continent around the world. You're looking at a map here of just carbon monoxide that's being generated from the ongoing wildfire situation that, quite honestly, I think is the worst I've ever seen it. And I've been watching this for a long time. Doesn't mean I'm the oracle of knowledge when it comes to all wildfires that have ever occurred on the earth and that are currently occurring. I'm just saying, in all my years, I've never seen this many at one time in both the north and southern hemisphere. So that's